All right. DeAndre, good morning to you. What's your last name, please? Graves. Graves. All right, good morning, everyone. Try to do the best I can out as fast and efficiently as possible. I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in as well. So on that short ridge, okay. Short ridge, can I get a name, sir? Good morning to you.
Evening, Your Honor. Lieutenant Shortridge, Detroit Police Department.
Very well. I'm gonna put you in a break all along with the two. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Erica Monique Lloyd, case number SP 1566787, count 1, SP 1566789-1. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Pauline Soroki on behalf of Erica Lloyd.
Ms. Lloyd, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning. My name is Erica Monique Lloyd.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I do have Ms. Lloyd's documentation. At this time, we'll dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. Good luck, Ms. Lloyd.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you, Ms. Lloyd. Have a good night.
So I can leave now?
You may.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Sir John Reverus, case number SP 14957-281. Forgive me if I mispronounce your name. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Sargon Georges.
Georges, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, Mr. Georges.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. His offer, as it stands right now, is going to be pleading to the amended count of improper strike that, drag racing, 4-point offense, $240 fine. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room and speak with Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry, as for the ticket, it has no remarks as it relates to what the officer suggests as being reckless. So speak to Mr. Georges, and he has an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Alicia Owensby, case number SP 125-2257, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 146-57411, SP 146-63881. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of defendant Owensby.
Owensby, are you driving, ma'am?
No, ma'am, no, sir.
All right. Do you have a valid license?
No, you told me to go to the Secretary of State, which I did. I took my written, which I passed. I gotta wait 30 days to take my test, sir.
But you're in the driver's seat of a car now, though, right?
Yeah, I'm just waiting on somebody to come out. Because in case I gotta move the car. That's all.
And you're not even supposed to be moving the car.
I know, but I didn't move nothing yet. I'm just waiting on her to come out.
All right, Ms. Owens. All right.
Look, I'm not moving nowhere. Yeah, I'm not going nowhere.
You don't have to explain, because I'm not gonna believe it.
But I did do what you told me, Your Honor.
All right. The offer as it stands right now, Ms. Soroki, for your client, FTD, 2 counts of FTD, 1 to 5. We'll give her some more time, because if she pleads to this, then she won't be able to get a license.
She won't even be close.
No. Come back June 28th, Ms. Ormsby. Hopefully you have a license, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
28. What time, Your Honor?
8:30, you know the time. You've been here enough.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
You have a better one. Mr. Graves, you there?
Morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus DeAndre Graves, case number SP 1566020, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Graves.
Mr. Graves, state your name for the record, please.
DeAndre Graves.
And today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Do you have a valid license, Mr. Graves?
No, sir. But I did go take my written exam and I passed it and got my permit. So I am waiting to go take a test.
So it's almost, so it should be reading valid. Here, run the Mr. Graves license, please.
No problem.
All right, let's see what the offer is gonna be. no offer on the unsafe manner, so
Hmm.
that's like a 2-point offense already. I don't know what effect that 2-point offense will have on a driver that's just a permit, that just has a permit, I'm sorry. The license reads valid, everything is clear. When will you get your full license, sir?
I'm hoping in the next month or so.
You come back as well on the 28th. I don't know what effect that points will have on your license since you just have a permit. Come back June 28th. Hopefully by that time you'll have a full license, and then we'll see what the deal will be. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day, sir.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Delano Gloucester, case number SP 1530563 SP 1555476, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Mr. Gloucester, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Delano Gloucester.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. You're going to need to get an updated offer from Mr. Gloucester, because I just have 2 cases. I see 3 up here. One that's not on the docket is the expired plate. You have valid registration and insurance, Mr. Gloucester?
Yes.
Can you get that out? Speak to Ms. Soroki in the breakout room. She's going to get you an updated offer, and you can let us know what you want to do when you come out, right? Fire plate is the one that's not on the docket.
Thank you.
It's past the matter. Go back on the record. George is giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Oh, he said he was going to retain his own attorney.
Well, we certainly, yes, I thought we needed to retain one. However, if he indicates he's going to have his own attorney.
I need one.
Mr. Georges?
Last time he was here. Did you retain one, sir?
Yes.
Who'd you retain?
No, I didn't retain one.
So what did you do? Did you retain one or you didn't?
I didn't.
So what do you need us to try to appoint you attorney or what?
Yes.
What's your phone number?
313-502-8252.
We're gonna fill out some 502-8252.
Yes, 313-502-8252.
You need to answer the calls you don't recognize, or one of those calls should be that appointed counsel. We're going to have you back out of pretrial on June the 28th, 2024. If you don't have any further questions, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Will I get a letter in the mail or do I just come on back on Zoom?
You come on back on Zoom, you should get a letter, but I wouldn't rely on that. You have a date now.
Okay.
Did you get a
So
letter
do
the
I-
last time?
What was that?
Did you get a letter the last time?
No.
Is your address correct?
What's the address say?
What is your address?
It's 2018 0 Derby Street.
2018 0 Derby Street. That's what it went to 20171 Derby Street. I got 20180 Derby Street.
Yes.
It's 2000, no, 20180. Correct?
It's 20180 Derby Street.
All right. So we have the correct address now. You should get that notification. Have a good day, sir. Come back on June 28th, please.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too, bye.
What's your name, sir?
Jermashe Lejeune Hunt.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
The city of Detroit versus Jermonte June Hunt, case number SP 1557818, counts 1 and counts 2, appearing for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Siroki on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Lejeune Hunt, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jermashe Lejeune Hunt.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, at this time, waive the formal reading the information, stand mute to the charges.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lejeune Hunt, do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
Can you run his license, please? Oh, valid insurance.
The car I was driving wasn't mine, but on my personal car, yes.
Let's see what you have for your personal car. Can you give the documentation, please?
Yes. You want me to get it right now?
Yes, sir, he wants to see it.
All right, it's in my car.
All right, we'll pass the matter. The license is valid. Pass the matter until he gets his documentation. Detroit versus Carlos Lane, SP 155-79121. Here for the record, please, Mr. Barrett.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lane. You have to unmute, Mr. Lane.
My screen got wet. Yes, this is Carlos Lane. Good morning, Your Honor.
Purpose of show cause, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
They're not guilty defendants. We have given $0 bond. Mr. Lane, do you have valid insurance?
Yes, I do.
Can you show the documentation, please?
I'm trying to get this camera to work for me.
You're gonna need to turn your background off as well.
Okay.
Your background seems to be off.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you now. I can see you. So if you can hold the documentation up, I appreciate it.
All right. You said here is.
That's the registration. Let's see the insurance.
Let's see the phone, baby.
I will pass the matter until he gets his documentation together.
Here it is, right here. Here it is.
Let's see what you have.
Turn it to the side.
Yeah, I don't think it turns. Sorry.
No, that's good. Hold it up straight like that. Why don't you, can you email that to me? Because I can't see it. It's blurred.
Yes, it is. Yes, I can, sir.
I'm gonna put my email address in the chat.
Okay. How do I get to the chat?
Down at the bottom of your screen, you should see a chat. You'll see the number 1 pop up, or you should maybe have something there right now.
Why is this doing this?
You see the chat down there? I sent you down at the bottom of the screen. It has a 1 up there, with the red 1 now. All right, I'm gonna give you an opportunity to figure it out. I'm gonna pass the matter.
I see it. I see it. Sean.perkins@36district.org.
Correct. I'll pass the matter until the documentation gets to me, all right?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Soroki, are we ready on Gloucester?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Gloucester, giving you an opportunity, Mr. Gloucester, to speak to Ms. Soroki. What's the offer gonna be? You get an updated offer?
Your Honor, well, he has his registration and he has his insurance, but he's gonna request a bench trial date. I know that, there's no points related to the offer, but it does show on his record, so.
All right, you want a trial date, sir?
Yes.
All right, let's give you a trial date on August the 22nd at 9 a.m., all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Gloucester, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, you too. Thank you.
And have your documents with you then, sir, also.
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
All right.
Did Mr. June Hunt get his documentation together? All right, let's call the city of Detroit.
No, I'm still I'm waiting. I don't have the paper document, but I'm about to get the screenshot and email it to you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Teresa LaShawn Long, case number SP 790741, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 9876701 and 1970-83941. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Long.
Ms. Long, can you state your name, please? All right, something's wrong with your audio on your end. You're unmuted on our end. Something is wrong with your audio on your end. All right, we'll have to pass it until we can get our audio together.
I just showed him that.
No.
Yes, baby. Thank you.
All right, is that all right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Carlos Lane. I've got the documentation, so I'm going to dismiss the case with the black documentation. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Your Honor,
Thank
you
you,
kind of
sir.
cut out at the end. Can you repeat what you said? Record didn't catch it.
Back on the record with Mr. Carlos Lane. I do have valid documentation for insurance. With that I'm going to dismiss this case. Nothing further, Mr. Lane. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
I will. Okay. Good morning, Ms. Villarreal.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And let me just get the iPhone, because there's another iPhone 2 waiting in the waiting room. The gentleman sitting in the white t-shirt, what's your name, please?
Levon LaRock.
All right, you're set for trial. 9 a.m. I think the officer did show, so can we get Mr. LaRock?
Your Honor, as a housekeeping matter, we're going to be dismissing Mr. LaRock's case matters just to expedite things. This is the city prosecutor.
City of Detroit versus Levon LaRock, case number SP 1500161, SP 1507561. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Diachiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. LaRock.
Your Honor, it'll be our motion moving to dismiss this matter.
No objection, Your Honor.
I think so. Officer Darius Jones is in the breakout room. I'm going to say he appeared. Officer Jones, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please, for Mr. LaRock?
Yes, my name is P.O. Officer Darius Jones, 7th Precinct.
Case dismissed. Good morning to you. Case dismissed, and Mr. LaRock, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I was
Who's that?
Lejeune Hunt. I sent over my insurance, my bad.
All right, Mr. Officer Jones, you're free to leave. Have a good day. Be safe out there.
All right, thank you, sir.
Are you Smashburger? What Lejeune Hunt? What did you send me?
Your Honor.
Oh, that's William Gilbert. I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
I sent the screenshot of my insurance to you.
What's it under? What's the name under the insurance?
It's Secure Auto.
All right, I haven't gotten it yet. All right, go ahead, Ms. Williams Law. I didn't hear you. Sorry.
No problem, Your Honor. Before Carlos Lane's case was called and back on and dismissed, who did you call in between Gloucester and
I
going back?
called Long, Teresa Long, but she never did. She's not connected to, I mean, she's connected, but something's wrong with her volume on her end. Did you get it together, Ms. Long?
Oh, snap.
No. I don't know. Maybe you try to sign off and re-sign back on. Maybe that'll help.
Good morning, Judge. Who needs to speak with me on the state prosecutor?
I don't know. We haven't gotten that far yet, I don't think. We have Hayward, Corporal Hayward. Why don't you go in the breakout room and ask if any of them, do they have a state ticket? Good morning to you.
Yes, sir. Oh, sorry.
Ms. Villarreal, who's your client?
Jamie Lee Galarza Roman, Your Honor.
They're here.
Okay.
Ms. Villarreal, can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please? Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, certified court interpreter, number C3822.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will interpret from English to Spanish, Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Jamie Lee Roman, case number SP1379340, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1379481, SP139. Wait a minute. Let me start that again. Let me do that again. SP1379340, counts 1 and counts 2. Okay. SP1379341, SP1397075, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Jamie Lee Galarza Román, números de caso SP137934, 0, cargos 1 y 2, SP13793481. Que todos digan sus nombres para que contesten el acta, por favor.
Jamie Lee Galarza.
Jamie Lee Galarza.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Defendant Galarza, Your Honor.
Y yo soy Elwood S. Berry representando a la acusada, la señora Galarza, su señoría.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Lagarza. Today is the date and time set for trial. I'm pulling out Officer Harris out of the breakout room.
Y buenos días a usted, señora Galarza. Este es el día y esta es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener el juicio. Y el policía Harris está aquí. Lo vamos a sacar de la sala de espera.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Mr. Barry, why don't you, the offer should be in the file. Why don't you speak to Mr. Galarza and then let us know what your client wants to do. Today is the date and time set for a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Señor Berry, tenemos la oferta de la fiscalía en el expediente de este acusado. ¿Por qué no le habla a Galarza? Déjele saber cuál es la oferta que tenemos.
There's no offer on the disregarded rate. No offer on the expired plates. A 1 to 5 for the 16 to 20 over. That's 1 point. So we have 125. 1 and 3 points on the expired plates and $130 and then $145. Start at $145 on the expired plates and 3 points on the disregard. The red flash and some another $130.
John, is there water by the
Yeah. It stopped now.
Okay.
Yes, it was. I wasn't able to hear you well, Your Honor. I was just going to say that
I'm
there
sorry.
seemed to be a noise.
So the offer as it stands right now, 1 to 5, amended count from the 16 to 20, $125. No offer on the disregard and red flag, 3 points, $130, and expired plates, $145.
Así que en este momento no hay una oferta de parte de la fiscalía, aparte de lo siguiente. Por desobedecer la luz roja le costaría 3 puntos y $130 en multas. Por las placas vencidas, 3 puntos y $145 en multas. Por exceso de velocidad, que iba de 16 a 20 millas sobre, lo reducen a que iba de 1 a 5 millas sobre el límite y le pedirían unos 125 en multa.
Join the breakout room, have a conversation. I don't know if you took the better driver's course or not.
Hacen ahora la sala.
Okay.
Mr. Barry, it says here that they, a little better drivers. I don't know if the city attorney's gonna acknowledge that or not. And then, if she could. Go in there and talk to your client and then you can work it out with the city attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go past that matter. Let's go back on the record. Let's recall the city of Detroit versus Teresa Long. Case numbers SP 79074 and 3, SP 9876701, and 1970833941. Appearance for the record, please.
Teresa L. Long, can you hear me?
I can.
Good morning.
Pauline Stroke on behalf of Teresa Long.
Today's the date and time set for a pretrial. The offer as it stands right now, you have a valid license, Ms. Long?
No.
The offer as it stands right now is pleading to failure to display, $240 fine in an improper plates. Dismiss the improper plates. The failure to display will abstract. Both of them will be $240 fines and dismiss the other matters. As long as you have an absolute right to a trial, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki and you can speak to her about it, all right?
I have a question, Your Honor.
Ask your question to, present your question to Ms. Soroki and then she'll filter it through me, okay?
Okay.
Question through Ms. Soroki. Jay Lindsay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What is your first name, ma'am?
Janae.
I have a Lindsay on the docket, but not Janae. Let me look it up. Spell your first name, please.
Janae.
It says you're supposed to be here. I'm gonna see. Maybe I'm over.
I got a this is scheduled for showcase
Yes.
hearing.
I'll overlook it. You're on the docket. Just give me a minute to get an attorney back out here, all right?
No problem.
You have valid insurance, ma'am?
No, it wasn't none on the car, and it's not my car.
Okay.
Are you ready, Mr. Berry?
I'm looking for Miss Mason.
All right, go ahead and break out room 5.
All right.
This Lejeune Honeygan. I sent over my insurance in the chat just in case you didn't go to the email.
Okay. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lejeune Hunt. I'm going to dismiss the matters for providing valid documentation. All right,
Thank you.
nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. You too. Bye-bye.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Nathan Galloway, case number SP 156472111. Mr. Galloway, state your name for the record, please.
Nathan Galloway.
All right, good morning to you, sir. You paid. I'm going to dismiss your case, all right? Have a good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Zoom user. Can I get your name, please? Zoom user.
Hello, is it me?
What's your name, sir? Good morning, please.
Eduardo Plata.
He set the trial to. Are we ready on your client, Ms. Thorpe?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready, Ms. Long.
Back on the record with Ms. Long, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel and break out room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Long wants an opportunity to obtain her license. We look back on her record. It seems she only has a few matters. If there's any reinstatement fees that are owed to the court, I'm going to ask the court to allow her to pay those at this time.
I don't see anything here affecting Ms. Long getting a license.
Can you repeat that?
I don't see anything here affecting you from getting a license.
Really? I'll see. Oh my God.
Don't get too happy, Ms. King. I don't know if there's anything in any other jurisdictions that will prevent you from getting a license. I don't think anything in 36 District Court that will affect you from getting a license. Let me look that up. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
All right. I'm going to set this matter for a trial date, Mr. Rowe. This is the second time we've been here on a pre-trial. Come back on August the 22nd. Hopefully you have that valid license. If you don't get the license, you should be able to go to the Secretary of State. They should be able to give you a printout and tell you everything that's affecting your license, Ms. Long. So I don't think you'll see anything from 36 District Court on there. All right.
Oh my God. Okay. So yeah, 36. Oh my God. Yes, I'm going down there. I'm gonna give them your name and tell them, oh my God, you don't know how excited I am. I'm tired of this.
I couldn't know my name was gonna help, but
yes.
Either you're gonna get one or not. And then if they don't give you one, then let them know, give you a printout. They should tell you any other courthouse that you may be holding your license up, all right?
Okay, sir.
I'll come back on August the 22nd trial, all right? Have a very
Thank
good
you.
day. Thank you.
You too. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Y'all have a good morning.
Right. This, Lindsay.
Yes.
This is the city of Detroit versus Janae, Denise Lindsay, case number SP 123-05201, SP 141-97101, SP 155-8314, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Ms. Lindsay.
Ms. Lindsay, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Janae Tanisa Lindsay.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause, Counsel.
Your Honor, at this time, waive the form of reading the information, stand mute to the charges.
Will enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. She has an unsafe manner back in 2021 that's not on the docket. She has another unsafe manner that's not on the docket that goes along with the case that is on the docket. And then she has blocking traffic. And she had an expired plate at that time that was amended. Drove left of center and blocking traffic, she never paid it. So we're really dealing with an unsafe manner, 2 unsafe manners and a no insurance. Absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna allow Ms. Soroki to get you an updated offer, Ms. Lindsay, and then I'll put you in a breakout room. You can wait on her. You can speak.
Judge,
okay?
Judge, is a housekeeping matter. Okay, I'll just wait, Your Honor, on this one, unless you want to hear it now. I was going to just say, because of the moving violations, I'm probably going to requesting an adjournment so she can take a better driving class. She's got a lot of moving violations. I think she may benefit from a driving class based upon the allegations.
You want to take a better driving class to try to mitigate some of this, Ms. Lindsay?
Sure. Should I join the breakout room, Your Honor?
Yeah, I'm gonna put actually, you don't necessarily have to. Now I'm gonna put the driving class in the chat. Just take a screenshot of that. It's gonna be along with my email address.
Okay.
And I'll give you an opportunity to take the class and tell us what you learned out of the class, and we'll see what the offer will be when you come back. Okay, Ms. Lindsay, I put the Better Drivers course in the chat along with my email address. Take the course and send me the certificate to my email address. And that way, when you get back, it'll expedite things. We'll have the conversation about what you learned about at the Better Drivers course, all right?
Okay.
I'm gonna give you until June the 28th to do this. And if you have valid insurance at that time, bring a copy of that, okay?
It's not my car. I'm not in possession of that car, Your Honor, anymore.
Right. Do you have a car in your name, ma'am?
No, just a cosign. I'm just a cosigner of somebody's car, but not this particular car.
Oh, do you have does that car you have a cosign on? Do you have insurance on that vehicle?
No. I'm not sure. I haven't got in touch with them. I've been trying to get in touch with them. The person, she got both cars.
Well, you better get your name car or something, ma'am. You
I've
better
been
find
trying.
that car's in your name. Now, I will say this, the statute, if everything is comports to what you say, the statute doesn't obligate you to have insurance on the vehicle. So that ticket, it's written as a misdemeanor, Ms. Soroki. particular vehicle. I don't know which, as it's written here, but it's everything comports to what she says. I can set the matter for trial if that's gonna work out better. Because
I think that might be a good idea.
if what Ms. Lindsay is saying
is in light of the, I mean, in light of the fact that we're still dealing with Ms. Lindsay and all the other moving violations, Your Honor, we'll be willing to dismiss the no insurance. That's not the issue.
Let's do the pretrial June 28th, and then we'll see. Come back June 28th with that course taken, ma'am, and we'll get you an offer then. You still have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.
You have a better one.
Happy Mother's Day, y'all.
Oh, you as well.
Thank you.
Miss Ebony Glover, Miss Glover, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room and speak to Mr. Miss Soroki. It's set for trial, Miss Soroki. And I do have some officers here. We have 2 more minutes to see if any other officers show. I don't know exactly which ones showed or which ones didn't.
What officer did appear at this point?
So let's see. As far as I have Ambrose up here. I have Corporal Bennett is here, but I don't see Corporal Bennett. Oh, I do see him on 1. I don't think that's him. Bennett says he's on green. I just don't see him on green here. Maybe both officers were working together that day. Ambrose, Krasowski for green.
No.
Presley, Owensby. We already called Owensby too. Who else we have? Shortridge, Schultz for green. So all I see is Ambrose, and Ambrose is just here for green. Clark and Kinney did not show.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Jones appeared for Laurent. They dismissed that. All right.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, we ready on Lagarza?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Galarza. Mr. Galarza, I'm giving you an opportunity, Ms. Galarza, I'm sorry, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor.
Con el caso del señor Galarza, disculpe, la señorita Galarza, le di la oportunidad a usted, señorita, de hablar con su abogado, defensor, en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the latest offer, which is she would enter a plea to 6 to 10 miles over and all remaining matters to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente está dispuesta a aceptar la oferta más recién que propuso la fiscalía, es decir, ella se declararía culpable a que iba de 6 a 10 millas sobre el límite, comprendiendo que el resto de los casos, de los cargos, quedarían desestimados.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Garza?
Y eso es lo que usted quiere hacer, señorita Galarza. Correcto. That is correct.
And do you know that that'll be 2 points on your driver's license and $135?
¿Y sabe usted que le van a añadir 2 puntos a su expediente de conducir y que la multa va a ser 135?
Sí, correcto. Estoy al tanto.
Yes, correct. That's okay.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Y abogado, podemos estipular a lo que dice la boleta de infracción para proveer un fundamento para la declaración de culpable. Sí, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
¿Y estipula usted que hay causa razonable para desestimar todos los otros cargos?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Sí, su señoría, así lo estipulo. ¿De acuerdo?
Find your client responsible for the amended count of 6 to 10 over $135. Ms. Galarza, when can you pay it?
Así que encuentro que su cliente sí es responsable al cargo modificado de que iba de 6 a 10 millas sobre el límite. La multa es 135. Dígame, señorita Galarza, ¿para cuándo pudiera usted pagar esta cantidad?
En la semana que viene estoy dispuesta a pagarla.
Next week. I am able to pay it next week.
I pay it by the 17th, and we pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. There's nothing further. You have a very good day, and best of luck to you.
Bueno, entonces le voy a permitir hasta el día 17 para que alcance a pagar el monto. Le voy a dejar saber las dos mejores maneras para pagarlo. Usted puede venir en persona a la corte a pagarlo, o usted puede ir a cualquiera de los kioscos que se encuentran en la ciudad de Detroit para hacer el pago por el kiosco. También usted puede descargar el app de DivDat a su teléfono y pagarlo así también.
Ok, perfecto.
Ok, perfect.
All right. Have a great day.
Muy bien, que tenga usted un día muy bueno.
Igualmente ustedes, que tengan un buen día. Muchas
Thank
gracias.
you. Everyone here, may you have a good day, and thank you.
All right, Ms. Villaroo, always good to see you, and we'll see you next week.
Yes, Your Honor, you will. Have a wonderful weekend.
You have a better one. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you're free to leave, Ms. Galarza. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus William Jerome Gilbert III, case number SB 1565109, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, William Jerome Gilbert. Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gilbert. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Do you have valid valid insurance and registration, Mr. Gilbert?
I emailed them to you under my business, Smashburger.
Okay. I did receive that. Let's see here. What is Smashburger?
I have a restaurant opening up on 8 Mile in DeQuinder. It's gonna be coming up real soon.
All right, there's supposed to be some smash burgers.
Yeah. It's called Smashies, but just the email come up as Smashburger.
I'm gonna come check you out. All right, dismiss the case, provide valid documentation. Best
All
of
right,
luck
thank
to
you, Your Honor.
on your business venture as well, too.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Barry, I have Eduardo Plata here. This set for trial. I don't believe there's an officer to show, so this makes it easy. is the city of Detroit versus Eduardo Plata, case number SP 1384293, counts 20, counts 2, appearing for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Plata.
Hello, Eduardo Plata.
There's a date and time set for a trial in the matter. Do we have Officer any officers here on plot? Let's see. Officer W. Harvey, Officer W. Harvey, hearing no response. Go ahead, Counsel.
Motion is for dismissal, Your Honor. There being no complaining witness.
Dismiss the case. No officer, Mr. Plata. I'll waive the warrant fees. Very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much. You too.
This is the city of Detroit versus Myra Leitner. I get the pronunciation correct, Ms. Leitner?
Yes.
This is SP 1335511, counts 1 and counts 3. SP 1335519, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1356104, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Ms. Leitner. Can you state your name for the record, please, again?
Kamira Leitner.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there Officer Townsville, Officer Boyd? Hearing no response, have not seen those officers join the breakout room.
We move to dismiss, Your Honor. There being no officers.
Dismiss the case for no officer. Have a very good day. Ms. Leitner, I'm away the warrant fees. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Green, have the officers here for Green. Mr. Berry, why don't you work out a deal and get Mr. Green a deal? I'm gonna put him in the breakout room. Work it out, let us know what happens. I have Green, I have Kozarski here for Green. Bennett, I don't know why Bennett is here. I don't know, I don't see him on there. I have Schultz for Green, and I have Lieutenant Shortridge for Green.
Judge, I'm sorry, I probably mislabeled Bennett. He's supposed to be for Owensby. Malika Bennett.
Owensby is gone. Owensby for Bennett. I don't know what happened with Owensby.
Yeah, I had Presley was here for Owensby, and so was
see
Bennett.
Okay, I don't know what happened with Owensby.
Supposed to come back on the 28th or something.
Okay.
Okay. So Judge, I'll talk to Mr. Berry and get a new offer first. And if you could, we'll go into room 5 and I'll talk to him on Mr. Green.
You can release Presley and Bennett.
Okay, very good, Your Honor.
Good morning, Judge. Corporal Croxton, I'm here on Green also. I didn't want to interrupt.
Good morning to you, Corporal Croxton. I think I had you down already for.
All right, my bad.
Yeah, I had you down for Green. Good morning to you, Corporal Croxton.
Thank you. Good morning, Judge.
Okay, Barry, room 5. Barry, room 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Green, take the scarf off, please. Mr. Green, take the scarf off your head, please.
I was in a breakout room, but didn't nobody come in there.
Yeah, wait a minute. He's working. He's trying to work something out for you. Go back in there. He's in there now.
Okay.
All right.
Who? Hush. It's nobody for you.
All right, can you sit up, Miss Glover?
Yes.
Can you sit up, please?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Are you sitting up? Can you sit up?
I'm sitting up.
That's sitting up. Okay. All right, this is, we ready on Glover?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Ebony Glover, case number SP 81194, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 885323, counts 1 and counts 3. SP 885324, counts 2. 10, 9, 6, 2, 5, 1, 1. 17, 30, 4, 8, 2, 1, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Staroki on behalf of Ms. Glover.
Okay, Ms. Glover, can you state your name for the record, please?
Ebony Glover.
Corporal Ambrose, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Can you say that again, please, sir?
Not that Corporal Ambrose, is he's still in here.
Good.
Go ahead.
Good morning, Corporal Brian Ambrose, badge 4151, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning, Corporal Ambrose. All right, what's the resolution going to be here, if any?
Your Honor, at this time, my client, we did reach a resolution, but my client indicated that she'd taken a amnesty program and they reported it to you. And I couldn't really ascertain if it had been, tickets had already been taken care of or they were before this court.
Well, I would think that the amnesty, if she did enter into that, I don't see any civil infractions that she owes. But as you know, any of these misdemeanors would have to be adjudicated. So she owes nothing by way of civil infraction. But before the amnesty would cover anything here, they would have to be adjudicated. These cases would have to be adjudicated. That's why the misdemeanors are still open. So I don't see any civil infractions at all, just misdemeanors.
Do you understand that, Ms. Glover?
Yes.
Do you want to go ahead and accept the offer of the people then?
Yeah.
Your Honor, the people did make recommendation to my client that she would admit 2 counts of improper plates. The other matters are all being dismissed. She's prepared to waive her rights and ask the court to adopt that.
Leah, I'm in court.
Okay, you have to not. Do you have valid? Do you have any valid registration or insurance or anything like, or registration or insurance, Miss Glover?
No, I don't even remember what car it was, sir.
Well, I mean, I'm asking you now. I know this is quite some time ago. I'm asking you now. Do you have
I don't have a car.
Okay.
I just was able to get my license, so I don't have a car.
Very well. This is a 2016 ticket. Want to take the deal? It's going to be $240.
And how much time do I have to pay this, sir?
Well, wait a minute. Let me ask this. Okay. How much time would you need?
Maybe like 30 or 60 days.
gonna be $240 a piece, so it's gonna be $480.
So I can go to the kiosk and pay the $240? Because I paid
gonna be-
like
It's gonna be $480.
$2,000 worth of tickets.
It's gonna be $480.
$480?
Yeah, for 2 counts of improper plates, yes.
I thought I paid that. I paid like $2,028 of tickets.
I know, but that's the stuff, that's what the stuff you could pay. You had, let's see. When did you do that?
I paid my tickets maybe like a year or two ago, and I went to Bustle Center for the amnesty program, and it was a judge and the police and Kirk reporters, and they all punched it in and gave me a paper and stated that everything was dismissed. So I don't know. Shut up.
Do you still have that paperwork with you? Recent I see. Do you still have that paperwork with you, ma'am?
Well, I was looking for it, but I really couldn't find it. So I told the attorney I couldn't find it because if I would have known that I had to have all this together, I would have got it out yesterday.
Want me to give you some time to get it? Can you find it in the next few minutes?
Oh, it's impossible, sir. I have so much mail and I have so much paperwork from everywhere. Like, it's impossible for me to find it.
The most recent payments I've seen is on 2020. 6/8/2020. See a number of payments for 2020. See one. In amnesty. I don't see if this is amnesty here. All right, so we're talking about tickets from 2016. SP 811194 counts 1 and counts 2. It is now 2024.
I haven't got no tickets in 2024.
I understand now. You're not listening. I do see that administrative dismissal per court administrative order on a no ops on 6/20/2023. Was that last year you went to the program?
Yes, sir.
Judge, we would, city prosecutor, we'd be willing to drop the unregistered untitled. She can just plead to the improper plates.
Okay, we'll just plead to one, you'll owe 1,240, all right, Miss Glover?
Okay.
All right, you raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing.
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Now, I don't know why these other ones weren't dismissed. They should have been dismissed. We got a case going back in 2010 that I know that should have been dismissed. Maybe that was overlooked. Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yeah, I told you had a right to trial, right to remain silent, right to assumed innocent.
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
I did.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that again for me?
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Yes, sir.
Nobody's offered you anything other than what we said we'll do today, just plead to this $240 and I'll dismiss upon payment?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to, try to recollect June the 12th, 2018, around 3 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Puritan and San Juan Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I don't recall.
As for purposes of this plea, is there any objection to taking this plea under no contest
No, Your Honor.
by the city for lack of recollection? Are you stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for that the no contest plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
We're going to enter a no contest plea on this case. A no contest plea is treated like a guilty plea, ma'am, as far as sentencing is concerned. So we're going to fine you $240. I told you I'd dismiss that upon payment. I'm going to give you 30 days to pay the $240, okay?
Okay, do I pay it at the kiosk or I have to come to 36 District?
If you pay it at the kiosk, it goes through immediately, did that. So it'll go through immediately. Come back on June the 10th, 2024. If it's paid, ma'am, and you see it and you paid it at the kiosk, you shouldn't have to come back. But if you want to see it through to dismissal, come back on June 10th, 2024 for that dismissal, all right? I'm gonna
okay, thank you, sir.
But you're gonna have a number of reinstatement fees. You gotta pay the reinstatement fees. I don't know what they did. Let's see what they did last time.
Cause I have my license now.
I know, but you have a number of reinstatement fees here. I'm gonna waive them because they waived them at the administrative here at the hearing you went to. All right. So just pay the $240 and have a good day. Best of luck to you. Come back on June 10th. I'll dismiss it if it's paid. All right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Best of luck to you, man.
Have a great day.
You too. Okay, Corporal Ambrose, have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
Thanks. Screen ready to go?
Ready, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Defendants. Give me the exact pronunciation, sir.
What did you say, Judge?
Defendants.
Yeah, Devins Green.
Devon's Greens. This is City of Detroit versus Devon's Sean Green. Case number is SP 11332381, U324599916, SP 1209519, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1218520, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Edward S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Devin Green.
Your Honor, this is date and time set for trial. Mr. Green would avail himself of the latest, most updated offer. He stands ready to enter pleas to failure to display and improper plates. That's
Mr. Green, do you have a television on in the background there?
It's upstairs.
I don't know if that's what's causing the extra background noise or not. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes.
I'm going to fine you $240 for each charge. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Let's get Lieutenant Shortbridge. Can you put your appearance on the record, please? Shortbridge.
Lieutenant Shortridge, L243, Detroit Police Department.
Very well. Good morning to you. I think nobody else came out. All right. Do you understand, Mr. Green, that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Corporal Croxton, you want to put your appearance on the record?
Yes, sir. Corporal Croxton, Detroit Police Officer, Batch 665. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Let's just close the breakout. All right, and you understand that the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail or $500 in fines, correct?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial, correct?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Did you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June 24th, 2021 at around 1:43 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Gratiot and Seneca Street. Did you have an occasion on the day to come in contact with Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a vehicle?
Yes.
And if the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license and registration for that motor vehicle?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't know my license was suspended, and then I was just coming from my brother's funeral.
I'm sorry to hear that. And you didn't have registration on that day?
No, I didn't, because I had forgot my wallet rushing out the house because I was running late.
All right. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display 240 and improper plate 240. On the improper plate, I'm going to dismiss that upon payment. That won't abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it won't carry any points. But the failure to display will abstract. It will not carry any points. So 240, 240. I'm going to waive the warrant fee, sir. When can you pay? 480.
Can you give me a week or so?
Absolutely. I'll give you 2 weeks. Come back in 2 weeks. on May the 24th, 2024 at 8:25. If they're paid, we'll close the one out and dismiss the other, all right?
Okay.
Any further questions, Mr. Green?
What you say? I didn't hear you.
Valid license now?
No, I gotta I did just send some paper to the house because my license I never knew my license was revoked. So they just sent the paper to the house. So I gotta go to the driver's assessment May the 20th, and I basically gotta like do it all over again.
Oh, well, Mr. Berry, did you know that? Driver's license.
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
The failure to display on a driver's license revoked is going to put him in a further position to probably not be successful in getting a driver's license. I'm going to run the license. Okay, Officer Zowski. Did I get the pronunciation correct?
Kraszewski?
Kraszewski, I'm sorry. Can you put your appearance on for Green?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Can you put your appearance on for Green, please?
Yes, sir. Officer Aaron Kraszewski, Detroit Police Department, badge 684.
Very well. Good morning to you. All right. When do you go to this hearing, sir?
May the 20th.
May the 20th?
Yes, at 2 o'clock.
All right, we're gonna allow you to come back then.
Okay.
Because this is definitely gonna probably affect your ability. I don't know if it will or not, actually. Well, the abstraction will go into play.
Your judge, this is the city prosecutor, Diachiku Mason 43471. I think it should be err on the side of caution. We can just adjourn it still and come back, and then we can determine at that time.
Okay. Do you have a lawyer representing you on that hearing?
No, it's just like it's not really a hearing. It's like a class. It's like a class to help me get my license back to see like what it's like, see like what made me get my license revoked. So it's like I don't know. They might have because on the packet when I went to the Secretary of State.
You know what got your license revoked, don't you?
Too many tickets and speeding.
Yes. All right, I'm going to give you an opportunity to go to that hearing.
Okay.
Suggest you go get yourself a lawyer for that hearing.
Oh.
Because sometimes I'm going to give you an opportunity to go to the hearing.
It sounds like it's road to restoration. Is that what it is?
I don't know. It's a paper that just came in the mail.
From the Secretary of State? Was it from the Secretary of State?
Yes. When I went up to
go to the hearing, sir, and come back on June 28, 2024 for a pretrial. Hopefully by then you have a valid driver's license, all right?
June 28 at what time?
At 8:30.
Okay.
All right, have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you and good luck to you on the hearing.
Okay.
Okay, officers, everyone have a very good day. Be safe out there. and we'll see you next time, all right?
Thank you.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
All right, Corporal Hayward, your client showed. Presley, your client never showed, so Owensby took a deal. Owensby took a deal.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Have a good one.
All right, everybody be safe, all right?
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.